Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I've got for you this granny circle tutorial, which will be a part of a new series I'm doing, making different types of granny circles and granny squares. So I'm using a 2.75mm hook, and to start we make 4 chains and join them with a slip stitch. To begin the first row, chain 3. This will act as one triple crochet. So for the next 11 stitches we're going to do triple crochets. So yarn over twice, through the stitch, around, through 2, and through 2 again. And do this for the next 11 stitches. Coming to the end now, just going to slip stitch into the top of that chain 3. For the next row I've changed colour and joined into the top of any triple crochet. Then chain 2 and do a double crochet into that same space. And then we're going to do 2 double crochets in each triple crochet space. 1, 2, then next space, do 2 again. And altogether this should come out with 24 double crochets, including that first chain 2. Coming around to the end now. Slip stitch into the top of the first chain 2. For the next row I've changed colour again and joined into the top of any double crochet space. Then chain 3 and triple crochet into the same space. Chain 1. Skip 1 double crochet space and triple crochet into the next one. Do another triple crochet into that same space. Chain 1, skip a double crochet below and triple crochet into the next one twice. Chain 1, skip 2 triple crochets. Chain 1, skip and 2 triple crochets, and we do that all the way around 11 times. Coming to the end again, 2 triple crochets, chain 1 and slip stitch into the top of the first chain 3. Next row, join your colour into any chain 1 space, then chain 2 and double crochet into the same space, chain 2, and then do 2 double crochets into the next space. Chain 2 and 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, and repeat that all the way around 11 times, slip stitching into the first chain when you get to the end. In the next row, join your new colour into a chain 2 space. I accidentally didn't film the first stitch, but you're going to chain 3 and perform a bobble stitch, which I'll show in the next clip. So chain 3, yarn around once, through the loop, pull through 1, yarn around, through, pull through 1, yarn around again, through, pull through 1, and yarn around the 4th time, through, pull through 1, and then pull through all the loops on the hook. Then to finish off the bobble, chain 1, and this is 1 bobble stitch. Then chain 3 and repeat that in the next space. So you yarn over and put it through 4 times and then pull through all loops on the hook. And chain 1 to finish. Then chain 2, repeat it in the next chain 2 space, and repeat it all the way around to make 12 bubbles. The slip stitch to join at the end. For the next row, I'm joining my new colour at that chain 1 we did at the top of any bubble. Begin by doing 1 double crochet in the top of that bubble. Chain 1, and then we're going to double crochet into the double crochet space from the row below. So into the row below, around, and then pull through 2. Then chain 2, do a double crochet in the top of the bubble, chain 1, and double crochet into the double crochet space from the row below. Chain 2, double crochet in the bubble, chain 1, which I didn't do here, and then double crochet in the row below. Chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet in the space below. Chain 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet below, chain 2, double crochet in the bubble, and just continue to repeat that around. Coming to the end, doing my last double crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch into that first double crochet that we did. For the next row, I'm going to keep the same colour and slip stitch into any chain 2 space. We then make 2 chains and double crochet into the same space, chain 1, and then do 2 double crochets into the next space, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets in the next space, and just repeating that in every chain space around. And there you have it, this beautiful rose style granny circle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time for another granny circle or square episode.